So I've had the folding weight bench from PRx for just over a month, and in this video, I'm gonna give you a full review and my thoughts on it. Hey, my name is Mike Behrens. I've been an independent professional wrestler for over 20 years, and I've had a home gym for well over 10 years, but today, I'm at my parents' house to take a look at their home gym and talk about the folding bench from PRx. So the PRx folding bench is awesome. It's a great addition to the folding rack because it can store away so nicely, and it's super easy to fold out, super easy to fold up when you need to use it. I just love the ability to quick change in the workouts no matter what it is. You don't have to have a bench that takes up a lot of floor space. You don't have to have a fold-away bench that you have to worry about storing. This just folds right up into the wall. Super convenient, super easy for storage. I was a little worried about the capacity with it because it was just a couple of lag bolts into the wall, but I weigh 270 pounds and had a couple hundred pounds on the bar for bench press, and I didn't feel any instability at all. The one thing that I would like with the bench that we got is it's just a flat bench. PRx also makes a incline bench, and I think in the future I would have gone with the incline bench over the flat bench just to give myself more options, but the flat bench is still great.
So let's talk about some details of the PRx Profile flat folding weight bench. It starts at $449 with financing options available through PRx. Quick overview on the bench is it's a super sleek design that stores away really nice, easily folds up, easily folds down for quick storing away and quick use when you want to switch between your workouts. As far as the specifications are concerned, it comes in black. The dimensions are 17 inches high by 12 inches wide and 45 inches long. When you're unfolded, it's 18 inches from the wall and 63 inches extended into the room, and the stowed away height is 61 inches. When you order the bench, all the mounting hardware comes included and the bench ships fully assembled. And the installation process was super easy. It's literally just 2 lag bolts into the wall.
When you have the rack and the bench folded up flat against the wall, they just look super clean, look super good together. And then when they're folded out, they look awesome together as well. So it's a great 1-2 punch, the folding bench and the folding rack. Okay, so that does it for the PRx folding bench. Great piece of equipment, great addition to the squat rack. If you want to try it for yourself, I will leave my affiliate link in the description, and stay tuned to the channel for updated reviews on more PRx equipment and more tips on how you can perform better, recover faster, and live healthier. I'll see you in the next video.